boys and girls. This is the first page of your math for today. It is your reteaching page 6-5. So make sure you have this in front of you and we will get started. When you add two groups, you can write an addition sentence that tells how many in all. You can use the plus sign and the equal sign to write an addition equation. That means the same thing. So 3 and 5 is 8, can be written as 3 plus 5 equals 8. It's the same type of addition sentence. Draw a circle around the plus sign up here. Draw a circle around the sign that's the plus sign. That would be right here. Put an X through the sign that is the equal sign. Put an X through the sign up here that's the equal sign. That would be right here. So we're going to put an X through that. And that's just to show us where they're at. So let's look at number 2. How many ears of corn are there in the first group? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 ears of corn. So we're going to write our number 5. How many ears of corn are in the second group? There is 1. So go ahead and write the 1. Add the groups to find the sum. You can use the words to write an equation that tells a story. You can also use symbols to tell the story. So we wrote the 5 and the 1. We're going to use 5 plus 1 equals 6. My equal sign looks like it's together. It's actually one line and a second line underneath. Let's look at this one for number 3. Add the groups to find the sum, and then write an equation to solve the addition. So 3 is here. This says 3. We have to make 3 carrots. We have 1, 2, 3, and I just drew lines. How many should be in this group? 3 as well. 1, 2, 3. How many are in the first group? 3 carrots. How many are in the second group? 3 carrots. So 3 and we use the plus sign. 3 plus 3 equals how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 total. 3 plus 3 equals 6. Okay, make sure you have this side of the page finished because I'm going to flip it over and we're going to do the back of the page now. For this page, we're going to fill in the numbers for our addition sentences. How many buttons are in the first group? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 buttons. So we are going to write our number 5 right here. 5 plus, how many are in the second group? 1, 2, 3. You write the number 3 right there. 5 plus 3 equal, how many are there in all? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There are 8 in all. Let's look at number 2. How many buttons are there here? 1, 2, 3. There are 3 buttons in the first group. 3 plus, how many are here? 1, 2, 3, 4. We write 4 down here below the second group. 3 plus 4 equals, how many are there all in all? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There are 7 in all. Let's look at this one. How many buttons are there here? There are 2 buttons. Write the number 2 down here. Plus, how many are there here? 1, 2, 3, 4. Write the number 4. Remember, this plus sign means we're putting the groups together into one. So we have 2 buttons here and we have 4 here. We're going to put them all together. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 total. Read this addition sentence with me, nice and loud. 2 plus 4 equals 6. Good job. Now down here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 in all. 10 goes in our total because that's how many it is when we put both groups together. But we have to draw a line. We have to decide how many we want in our first group and how many we want in our second group. So I'm going to draw a line right there, just to split it into 2 groups. Now, how many do I have in my first group? 1, 2, 3. So I put 3 down here. And how many do I have in this group? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 in that group. Read this addition sentence with me. Ready? 3 plus 7 equals 10. Read that one again, please. Ready? 3 plus 7 equals 10. Nice work, boys and girls. Thank you for doing this math page with me and have a great day.